Hello, sir and ma'am. I am Kunal and they are my friend Dev and Divesh. We are from Eureka Public School and we created a project that name is humanoid. We are using two artificial brains that controls input device and output device.
First one is Node MCU, which has the Wi-Fi of ESP8266, which is connected to it and can take command from long distance.
In second phase is Aviskar E-series line. We use Aviskar brain to control hand and head, and we connected an app to give an answer for a question and clear the doubts of the questions.
Now we are going to show the project breakfast.
It can answer your questions. For example, who is the Chief Minister of Haryana?
As of September 2021, Manohar Lal Khattar is the Chief Minister of Haryana.
By using this remote, we can control its hand and head. I am going to show you how this robot moves forward, backward, left and right.
Ini apa ini?